Hi, I am Joa Muñe, professional sign writer and teacher. This is my Casual Style course. This is an online course designed for people who have been introduced to sign painting and they want to take their skills to the next level by learning Casual Style alphabet. In this course, you're going to get a printable workbook with templates and explanations. Additionally, you're going to get weekly videos where I share with you step by step how to paint every letter of the alphabet in the Casual Style. As well, I share with you my tips and tricks for creating perfect letters in this style and how to put them together to construct and create nice words. By the end of the course, you are going to be able to paint and draw letters in Casual Style by yourself and with confidence. So join me and sign up. See you!